Hola, my name is Katie from PinayNomad.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple DIY flower resin pendant. It's a great reminder of warm summer days year-round. If you've ever wondered about how to make resin jewelry with flowers, this is likely the easiest project you can try. Let's get to it. Here are the materials needed to make these resin pendants with flowers. We'll be needing tape, open bezel pendants, dried flowers, and epoxy resin. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the resin. You also have to be careful because this resin is eye and skin irritant. Make sure to wear gloves. Okay. Pour exactly equal amounts of resin and hardener into measuring cups. Then mix it together. Then stir continuously for like 2 minutes, scraping the sides of the container. Step 2. Put the open bezel flat on the tape like so. I get these products from Amazon. I will link it down below. Step 3. Pour a small amount of resin into the pendants. Step 4. Place and arrange the dried flowers inside the poured resin. Be sure to check for bubbles around the base of the flower and dislodge with a toothpick if necessary. Step 5. Cover and allow to fully cure overnight. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial on how to make resin jewelry with flowers helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave it down below. Thanks, see you later.